Welcome to our part 2 here at Venice Grand Canal Mall. You can immerse yourself in a Venetian-inspired experience. The mall offers a mix of shopping, dining, and entertaining options, including a variety of shops and boutiques, diverse dining establishments, and live performances. Meron din silang gondola guys. The gondola ride costs 500 pesos per person for a shared boat. The gondola can accommodate up to 6 people. Kung gusto mo namang mag-private or non-shared ride, you must book the whole boat, which costs 2,000 pesos. They are operated by gondoliers who are even dressed in traditional Venetian costumes, and kumakanta rin sila. The side streets to the canal are bustling with unique street acts, mainly those wonderfully dressed statue artists that offer awesome photo ops. Venice Grand Canal Mall is awarded as